Hello my children, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing well. Welcome again. This is a new lesson. My house, my house. The first thing we are going to start with is the reading passage. The reading passage that I gave you last week. Do you remember? Good. Now I am going to read the passage and I want you to listen carefully. I want you to pay attention and I want you to listen carefully. Can you do that for me? Good. Thank you so much. Let's get started. The reading passage. My name is Karim. I live in a big house. It has got 2 floors, the ground floor and the first floor. Downstairs there is a living room, a dining room, a kitchen and a toilet. Upstairs there are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. There is also a beautiful garden and a garage. My favorite room is the living room because it is where I can watch TV or play computer games and talk to my family. I love my house. House vocabulary. House. House. This is a house. Living room. Living room. It's a living room. Dining room. Dining room. This is a dining room. Bedroom. Bedroom. It's a bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. This is a bathroom. Kitchen. Kitchen. This is a kitchen. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please be safe and see you soon.